Hey guys, okay, I'm setting my timer. This is gonna be less than 5 minutes. All right, ready? Okay, so my name is Brooke, and I'm gonna show you guys my favorite 5 products right now in Mary Kay. Okay, number 1 is our skincare. So if you are over the age of like 32, this is your skincare. This is the Lamborghini of skincare, and it is amazing because if you bought this with anyone else, it'd be like $500 to $700. This is $205 for everything. So you get a cleanser, a lifting serum, a day and a night cream, and an eye cream. Okay, so here's the deal, you guys. This is like the best of the best. This is like, I am not messing around. Let's get going. Let's repair my skin and get it back to what I looked like when I was like a teenager, okay? Botox in a bottle. This is amazing. It lifts the triangle, okay? This like lifts, it firms, it tones. This is like facelift in a bottle. Day cream has SPF, night cream has retinol. Retinol is God's gift to women. It reverses time. It, repairs everything. And then the eye cream has a metal massage tip. Amazing. So this is $205. Now, if you're like, no way, Brooke, there's no way I'm spending $205 on something I haven't tried yet, you can get our mini. It's so cute. So this is $35, and it's literally just a mini of everything I just told you, okay? Amazing, you guys. It'll last you 2 to 3 weeks, depending on how much you're using. And you guys, it's so, it lasts for so long. So I've had people that have used that repair set for a whole year, which is amazing, okay? Next thing, you guys, I mean, there's just so many, I can't, like, narrowing it down to 5 was really tough. So next thing is our Hydrogel Eye Patches. You guys, every single person in the world needs these right now. This is a cappuccino under your eye. It is amazing hydration. It cools, it soothes, it relaxes, it depuffs, it de-darkens. It literally does everything, and it's all natural. The only unnatural ingredient in this is what makes it small enough to get into your pores, okay? You need this, you guys. Everyone needs these, okay? There are 60 patches in here for $40. That is an incredible amount because I went and got my eyebrows done and they charged me $5 per patch because I just wanted to save, right? $10 for a treatment, $40 for 60 patches. You do the math. Okay. Next, this is our facial peel, okay? So this is going to gently exfoliate your skin. So I have super sensitive skin, you guys. I have rosacea, I have eczema, I have adult acne, I have cystic acne. I literally have everything. It's like the worst. But this has been a huge help for me. So it has plant algae and squalene in it, and it's all natural, right? It's plant squalene, and basically it also has glycolic acid in it. So it actually eats off the dead skin off the top layer, but it also repairs underneath. So it has calming oceanic algae in it, which calms your skin down. So this is an amazing, amazing thing. This is $65. It will last you forever. I use this once a week, okay? All right, my next ingredient is our Biocellulose Mask. You guys, this is legit like the cutting edge technology. It is K-Beauty, which is just Korean beauty. And basically they figure out like how to have an experience and solve a skincare problem. Amazing, isn't that what we need right now? So this is probably our most expensive item. Definitely our most expensive mask. So it literally is like, you look like Hannibal Lecter, but it tells you guys all the instructions on each mask. So you pull off the mask, you put it on, you look like Hannibal Lecter or some like creepy guy, or girl, I guess, right? And there are 4 of them in a thing, and it's $70. You guys, it is worth every single penny. This is all made of like coconut water and squalene and like such good stuff. So it literally basically gives you a facelift, okay? It evens out your skin tone, it moisturizes, it lifts, it tones, looking good. Okay, so I know that was 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that's 4, I guess. Okay. So my fifth and final is this oil. So I just had like a fro like you wouldn't believe. I just put this oil in, just 3 drops. Bam! Look at my hair, looking good, okay? You can put this on your cuticles, your knuckles, your face, your hair, your heels, your wherever you want. It is 100% natural, eco-certified, made in France at the only certified organic plant in the world. And it is 100% organic from seed to seal. It is made out of sesame seed oil, sweet almond oil, so it smells amazing. And then it's also made with olive oil. You guys, people call this Jesus tears. This is how amazing this is. You need it in your life. This is $48. It will last you forever. And I think I told you the price of everything, but let us know if you have questions. All right, guys, bye.